First of all, I would say about Indian Army. It is a voluntary organization. We are here to serve for the country, and nobody has called us to come voluntarily for the same. So it is our moral responsibility that whatever we have signed for, we are supposed to do it. And as I said, as a citizen, each and every one of us must do his best to look after and for the safeguard of the country and nation building. About the local population, yes, they are far-flung areas. Similarly, I can draw parallel to the depth of India, where there are a lot of villages which are there, which are far-flung. However, the only challenge here is the proximity to the border and the possibility of illegal elements exploiting it. So they are trying their best, but I must say, and I must thank the local populace and also Indian Army, that we are hand in hand in consultation with our local administration. We are doing our best to look after the safeguard of the country and security of the country. Locals, I would say, they are very simple. Even if there are hardships, they convey less and they do more in terms of their actions. I will take you back to some few decades. All the three major wars we have won. Convincingly won. We in sync with local populace. They have stood beside us, and we hope they will be continuing with the same, and we will be safeguarding our country. And the mandate that is given to us, that is safeguard the LC, no cross LC operations will be given any time of or any chance to the enemy. That is our promise, and whatever efforts that they may try, that will go in vain. That I can assure you. People of Karnavali stood with us. That is the reason why all three wars we have astounding success in terms of capture of territory and also capture of PWs. That do not have been so easy for us, and the local populace were against us. So they are always with us, and we will be trying our best to look after their interests in the forward areas because of our presence. Especially Indian Army is in a position of strength because of our nature of duty and nature of deployment. We, as part of the government, we are morally and duty bound to look after the country in whatever form that we can contribute.